www.nctsn.org. So it's www.nctsn.org. And psychological first aid is the acute intervention of choice after a disaster. It pretty much, all you're doing is you're learning to stabilize people and comfort them. And I do a training in that. It's kind of a whole day training. But you can also get this field operations manual for free from that website. And I think it's an important intervention. Now, kids who have difficulty after, like, between the 1 and 4 week period and 2 weeks and on, often need play therapy to help them make meaning of the situation. They might need some solution-focused counseling for planning, and cognitive behavior therapy. There's an intervention called trauma-focused cognitive behavior therapy that is helpful. But what's being done now by many counselors is integrating trauma-focused cognitive behavior therapy with play therapy as an effective intervention for children. So here are just some stabilization procedures that you might want to learn. Let's see, we just have a few minutes, but we'll do a couple of these. 3, 2, 1 game. You can turn on the lights if you would like. On the 3, 2, 1 game, are you ready to play the 3, 2, 1 game, kids? Yeah. Okay. Tell me 3 things you can see above your eye level. Ceiling. Marlisa, the flag. Okay. 3 things that you can hear. Air conditioning. Me. Stomach growling. Oh. 3 things you can touch. Pen. Table. Chair. 2 things you can see above your eye level. Lights. Exit sign. 2 things you can hear. Air conditioning. Silence. 2 things you can touch. Desk and paper. Okay, 1 thing you see above your eye level. Fence. Oh, okay. And 1 thing you can hear. Air conditioning. And 1 thing you can touch. Pen. So, how do you think that helps you? Grounds you. Okay? Helps you focus on the here and now, so you're not worried about the past or the future. Okay, so it reorients you to the here and now. And so that's kind of this grounding skill that you can do. You can also do the butterfly breathing. So let's everybody do it. Put your hands behind your head like this for me. Now take some deep breaths. And if you take your deep breaths, what this does is forces you to do diaphragmatic breathing. And it slows your heart rate down. So it calms you down. So these are your butterfly wings. See? Your butterfly wings? Now go like this. This is your butterfly hug. Hug yourself like this. Now go like this. Flap your wings. Like that. Okay? So this is also something called bilateral stimulation that you can do to calm yourself down. Then go like that. So that can help calm your body down. You can blow soap bubbles. Causes you to take deep breaths. It helps distract you. And then you can do some progressive muscle relaxation, like tense up your arms and legs and then relax like that. So it's called like tense like a Tin Man and then relax like a rag doll. And you go through the steps of that. I already talked about putting your drawing in a sealed envelope if it's a scary picture. You can get Play-Doh and make a worry object. Like some kids will take Play-Doh and make a dolphin, and they put their worries on the dolphin, and the dolphin swims away. Or they make a religious symbol, put their worries on that, or they just make a ball that they can rub. So that's kind of a worry object. And then body burrito is where you get a blanket or something, and you kind of wrap kids up voluntarily, not as a restriction, but wrap them up in it. And guess what that's called? It had an old name to it. Swaddling, yeah. And swaddling is just a way that helps kids feel secure and kind of calms them down. So you can do that. You can sing. Does anybody know how to sing good? No? Okay. Well, we need some. There's got to be somebody in here knows. I know American Idol's on tonight, and I know somebody in here has to be able to sing. Do you sing? I don't sing. Who sings? Sarah? All right. Okay, look. So, you know that song, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? Let's just all sing it together. Ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Okay, good. Now we got to sing that same song, but we're going to use these words. So it goes like this. I am safe and I am strong. Take a breath and sing this song. I'm growing stronger every day. I know that. I'll be okay. I am safe and I am strong. Take a breath and sing this song. Okay, so ready? I am safe and I am strong. Take a breath and sing this song. I'm growing stronger every day. I know that I'll be okay. I am safe and I am strong. Take a breath and sing this song. Yay, very good. So what do you think that song helps you do? Self-assurance, yeah. It's like positive cognitions. It gives you that positive self-talk, that I'm safe, I'm strong. It helps you breathe and gives you kind of that positive focus. There's a model called the basic pH model that looks at these different things. It's similar to what we learned before: beliefs and values, affect, social imagination. So this is a coping model. So what you want to do is try to develop a coping skill in each of these categories. And so this is these are the categories that that I went over before, those kind of big 5 categories. So just like you have symptoms in these 5 areas, you also want to have coping skills in each of these 5 areas. And so one of the ways that you can do that is just having the kids identify a coping skill that they naturally use, that they usually use in each of these 5 areas. All right. So there are some resources for you. After the Storm, A Guide to Help Children is a something free that you can get on the internet and download, and that's a really good one. You should probably check that out. Okay, and there's that one for the Psychological First Aid Field Operations Guide. So, oh, look, I'm right at 6:45. What do you know? What questions do you have? Okay, the last question is, when's break? I bet break's right now. Okay, so enjoy your break. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, you're welcome.
Well, I was saying that if for no other reason you'll remember this lecture because how many people come to speak with a puppy, right? So if it gives us any trouble, just let me know. But I'm going to assume that we can co-regulate as a group and he will not do anything too embarrassing. I'm glad for the chance to talk about this topic in the university because this is a topic that I had a chance to learn a lot more about and to advocate around in the community, but there haven't been as many venues in universities to talk about this topic. And I don't know, some of you may be familiar with this topic of institutional abuse and the ways in which it's actually creating conditions that are traumatizing for some teenagers in this country. But many folks I find even though this phenomenon has been around for about